Let's talk about the line command. This is the basic command that starts just about every drawing. So here we are in AutoCAD 2020. We are going to be using the Home tab in the Draw panel, and we're going to be using the line command. If you hover over any command, it's going to give you a flyout to tell you what that command is. The longer you hover, the more it will give you in detail. So some of the commands will give you a small little animation to show you what the command will do. Others will just give you a description of the command. So we're going to use line, but before we start, down at the bottom in your toggles, I have turned off all the toggles. So if you have something that is blue, you're going to want to just click and turn that off. We're going to turn the drawing aids back on in another video, but right now we just want to simply learn how to use the commands, cut them off, and start them back again. So to use the line command, up in the upper left hand corner, there's line. So click line. Your command line says specify first point. So you're just going to click anywhere on your screen. And when you click and move your mouse, you have a line attached to it. When you click another point, you've drawn a line. You can continue to pick points until you tell the command to stop. There's multiple ways to end a command. I'm going to show you all the ways that I know. So one way to end the command is to move your mouse down to the command line and click exit. Now you've exited the command. To restart this command, you can go back to the line command and click line. Pick some points, you're back in line. Another way to exit this command is to right mouse click and select enter. You've exited the command, and now to start it over, you can right mouse click and click repeat line. Now you're back in your line command. Another way to exit this command, right mouse click, select cancel. You've exited the command. You can also repeat the last command that you do by hitting the enter key on your keyboard. So when I hit enter, see my command line says specify first point. I'm back in line. So I can click my points. Another way to exit this command is to hit enter on your keyboard. I clicked enter, I'm out. I can repeat the last command by selecting enter, and I'm right back in. Now, one of the other ways that you can also end a command is by clicking escape on your keyboard. That cuts off the command as well. Now, one of the neat things about the line command is when you're in the line command and you're using the enter key to exit and then re-engage, there is another thing that the enter button will do with a line command. So if you click line, pick your points, hit enter on your keyboard to exit, hit enter again to go back into the command. If you don't pick anywhere and if you hit enter one more time, you are now connected to the last point. So you can reconnect to the last point you made. Enter cuts you off, enter gets you back in, enter reconnects you to your line. So whatever way is comfortable for you, that's what you do. If you would prefer to right mouse click, if you prefer to hit enter, escape, you do what is comfortable to you when using the commands. That is the line command. We will get more in depth in how to create a line at a certain distance and a certain angle in another video. But right now, that's how you use line and end the commands and re-engage the commands.